This is your fretboard blank, and we don't worry about one side. One side doesn't matter if it's got sanding marks or whatever on it. It won't matter. It'll actually help it bond onto our neck. But this side here, this is the side that we're going to cut our fret slots into, and we're going to put our frets down in. So this one needs to be absolutely beautiful. So go right up to your 400 grit. What we need to do now is put a center line all the way down here. So to do that, you measure the width, and this is exactly 50 millimeters. So I'm going to put a little mark on one end at 25. Turn it around, do the same on this end at 25. Again, we use a ruler, line up those two marks. You will need to use a 600mm ruler for this because this piece of wood is about 350 millimeters long. So you can't do it in one length on the other one. And put a line down there. Oh, there's our center line. Now this next step challenges a few people, but it's easy. I'm going to put a number on the back. Can you see that number? 322. Great. That is, we have to drill 2 holes on here, on that center line, that are 322 millimeters apart. Easiest way to do it, it doesn't matter exactly where they go, as long as it's roughly centered. Sit your ruler on that center line, find 322, which is right here. I'll put a little mark there, right, just to the right of the 2. So if I roughly center, or roughly get this distance from there to my mark, and the end to the end of the ruler, roughly the same, then I'm going to put a mark on my 0, which is the end of the ruler, and I'm going to put a mark on 322. Across there and across there. Now in order to make it so that the drill doesn't wander, when I try to drill that hole, I'm going to take my little spike, I'm going to put it exactly on that mark, spin it around a little bit, and exactly on this one, spin it around a little bit. Now I've got 2 pins where my hole is going to go.